Take one.
This is awkward. I think I managed to have my board for 3 weeks? 3 weeks or so. I managed to keep it keep it alive and well. So I decided to take my board on the trip to school and back that I was going to be driving quite a bit over the summer. The trip there was perfectly fine. The board was very aggressive, as we figured. It was fast, it was very responsive. But while I was charging the board at the school, it just started raining for like intensely raining for 30 minutes. So I waited that out, charged the board in the meantime, tweaked some settings, everything looked fine. But on the way back, the roads were wet, mildly put. But I thought, I mean, the board obviously had been marketed as water resistant. It almost had an IP rating at some point. The store page still said something about wet roads not being forbidden zones anymore. Okay, let's try it. Let's see how it goes. And turns out that wet roads, at least Danish wet roads, are too much for the board to handle. It died just straight up. I opened the whole board up, took a look inside, and it was pretty moist.
Nice.
It didn't look very good. So it wasn't good. I emailed Inertian. I got a correspondence going between us and them. They had me send the board back. Turns out it was completely fried. So my first Inertian Raptor is no more, and thus I am here waiting for my second Inertian Raptor to arrive. So yeah, here I'm waiting. I just got my tracking today. But for now, I guess this old puppy here is gonna have to, let's call it do. Yeah. It's super short. Still a very nice board, but oh boy, the 3-year difference between these boards is very evident.
Can we get a 50 likes?
Can we get 74 likes? 75. Let's do 75 likes.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.